ChatGPT is great, but just like a car, it can only take you far if you know how to drive it. A lot of people don't know how to prompt, and that is why they don't get the best answers from AI. In this video, I want to walk you through 5-step prompting process to help you get the best answers, the best content, the best strategies to help you market smarter and sell better in your real estate business. Let's dive into it. Number one step is to define your role. So ChatGPT wants to know who you are because it adapts its response to you based on who it thinks you are. So you must define who you are because anybody could be asking a question. So you define who you are by saying, I am a real estate broker. I'm a real estate consultant. That way, ChatGPT will know the kind of response to give to you. So the number one step is define your role. Number two is be specific about your request. Don't be generic. And let me give you some examples. If you say, hello, ChatGPT, I am a real estate broker and I need content ideas. ChatGPT will give you content ideas, but they will be generic content ideas. Why? Because you are not specific. It could be that within this period, you need these content ideas. You have some apartments that are good for short lets that you are promoting, and you want to create content that will help you attract clients to buy these apartments. If you say, give me content ideas, it will just give you generic content ideas. But if you are specific that you have some apartments good for Airbnb that you are promoting and you need content that teaches the importance of owning short-let apartments, ChatGPT will give you better content that will help you to achieve your needs. Step number 3 is give background information. You could mention that the property is in XYZ location. If there are specific landmarks you like to mention it. That will help ChatGPT to give you better strategies to create the best content that will help you to attract clients so that you can sell those properties. Step number 4 is let ChatGPT know the format or the style. What I mean by that is let it know what you want to use that content for. Are you going to send this content as an email? Are you going to send it as a WhatsApp message? Are you going to post it on social media so that it will tailor it to the platform you want to use it? Make sure the platform is aware of the format or what you want to use the content for. Step number 5 is follow up with a refined prompt. Why is this important? It is important because you want to refine the information you've gotten from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not a human being. So sometimes it might not give you what you want. It is your responsibility to refine the prompt so that you will get the information you want to get from ChatGPT. Those are the 5-step prompting process that if you follow, you will get the best answers, the smartest strategies from ChatGPT so that you will market smarter, sell better, and serve your clients the best way. My name is Emmanuel Ejike, and I will see you in the next video.